In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the Google Calendar app installed inside your Monday.com workspace so you can start syncing events and keeping your schedule and boards aligned. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips to keep things smooth along the way. Start by heading to Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one, and that you have permission to install apps. If you're not sure about permissions, it's fine to watch along and then check with your workspace admin. A stable internet connection and a modern browser will help avoid any hiccups during installation. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Monday.com interface for the small puzzle piece icon. That icon opens the apps area where you can browse and manage integrations and add-ons. Click it to open the marketplace. If your layout looks a little different, this icon may appear as apps, depending on your plan or updates, but it serves the same purpose. Inside the apps marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. This helps you quickly find the official app without scrolling. You should see a result named Google Calendar with a description that references syncing or integrating calendar events with your boards. Open that result to view its details. On this page, you can scan the overview to understand what the app does, glance at any screenshots, and confirm it's the correct integration for your needs. Next, click the Install App button. You may be asked which workspace or account you want to install it to, so pick the one where you'll be using the integration. Depending on your organization's security settings, you might see a prompt to approve permissions or sign into your Google account during setup. Follow the on-screen prompts and keep pop-ups enabled so the authorization window can appear if needed. That's it for the installation portion. From here, the Google Calendar app will be available inside your Monday.com environment, ready for you to configure recipes or connection rules that match your workflow. If you don't see the puzzle icon or the install button, you may not have the required role. Asking your admin to enable apps for your workspace usually resolves this. If something doesn't load, try refreshing, clearing your browser cache, or opening Monday.com in another browser. And if your Google account is managed by your company, make sure you have permission to connect third-party apps. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Monday.com and you're ready to streamline your scheduling. Thanks for watching.